Alright, good morning, good evening, good day everyone. I finally bought this amazing program. This is called forex tester3. This allows you to test, back test, and run forward the past history. I believe it is very important to watch the history as it was unfolded in front of your eyes. I bought this program mainly with a thought in mind that I could ramp up, that I could acquire experience much faster if I look at the history, if I fast forward the past history. Now, I'm not gonna advertise this program. I'm not here to sell you anything. I just bought it for myself. I believe this program is gonna help me get this experience much faster. And so I'm gonna start this program again. So I have this audjpy. I have this Aussie yen pair starting from 2015 to 2018. Downloaded the data, and I'm gonna launch it. So on the right hand time frame, you see there is a M30 time frame, and it's really just replaying it very fast. And on the left hand side pane, you see there is a daily time frame showing the same correlation. So both time frames actually run simultaneously for greater convenience. So I'm actually just watching the levels. I'm not really testing any specific strategy. I'm just watching the levels as they unfold. So as you can see, I've drawn a couple of levels, couple of strong levels, as I believe, and they're actually playing out nicely. Holy shit, this program has actually immense potential. I believe this program has a huge potential for traders' experience. This program is great for accumulating experience, okay? And like I said before, I just want to repeat it again. It's important to see how the price action unfolded, how the market behaved during different market sessions. I'm actually going to upload a bunch of videos for you guys so that you can see how the market behaves, how and what trades actually behave differently during different Asian sessions. So which pair is active, which pair is not so active. So I've been struggling with forex market for about like 2 years now. I've watched a bunch of different courses without much result. I've bought a bunch of signals from different scammy, shitty signal providers. And my journey in forex still continues. It's February 15, 2018. I just bought this amazing piece of software. I should have bought it like probably a year ago, back in 2017 when it was on sale, but I still got it under some coupon promotion, so I paid like $78 or something. Anyways, let's just keep watching and keep observing how the price action unfolds. Right now the market is actually very quiet. You can see, holy shit, this is how the prices can just really see. If you look at the daily price is not really moving anywhere. The daily, you see, this is probably the combination of London and European session. This is probably the time when European and American sessions collide. Yeah, so it's approaching the level. Look. Yeah, and it starts going down. Shit, the market does respect the levels. Hold on. The market does, no, it's gonna retest. Yes, we're breaking above. No, we're faking out. No. Yeah, we're going higher now. Holy shit, these levels actually work, and it's such a great, convenient tool to see how, yeah, this was the perfect this is the good level. No. It's falling, no. Oh shit, it was a fake. It actually went up, and then this is probably a good opportunity to scalp here. Now it's actually, yeah, it's breaking through again. And it's going here sideways. Really, the market is unsure which way to go, but probably it's gonna break out on the next level, on the next day. Yep, it's going higher highs, making higher highs. Yeah, we're steadily above the level. Now we're going up. I believe so. Holy shit, this program, I really hope this program will let me acquire a lot of experience, and this program will really let me accumulate more experience faster. Plus, there is a bunch of strategies that I want to test. I want to actually test the correlation of pairs, how different pairs correlate with each other, and yes, I'm going to run them probably on 16 years worth of data to see how they actually work. I'm going to fucking do it, guys. But most of all, I actually want to make it educational for you. You know, I don't want newbie traders to struggle as much as I did. I'm gonna figure out this forex thing, no matter how much time it takes. I'm gonna smash all my goals in life. The forex thing, the trading, the stock market. I'm gonna make it, guys. Yep. See, it's breaking through. Yep. Nice. And by the way, guys, if you actually have opportunity to get the stock data, you can actually download and put it on the chart here in this program. You can download a stock data, any stock data that you have, and you can actually put it here. You can put a bunch of other indicators, and you can really see how it actually played out. I believe Toss on Demand has this feature as well. If you're not familiar with Thinkorswim is an amazing platform as well. I use it. I do have it here, as you can see, and I use it sometime. It also has this amazing cool feature called On Demand, which lets you do pretty much the same thing as this piece of software does. But it's actually, I was testing it just yesterday, and Thinkorswim On Demand is a great tool. It's still a great tool, but it's actually it's not as convenient, and it doesn't replay you. It doesn't let you replay at any specific speed that you put it that you set it up to. So it doesn't let you replay the stock price action at your desired level of speed. So I'm actually, I'm gonna use this forex tester again for any stock that I want to see. Just imagine you can just fire up any stock price action and you can replay it as it was in the past, which is really amazing. Yeah, so I'm gonna download the past stock price action data for whatever stock I'm interested in right now, like DWDP or HMNY, whatever it is, and I'm gonna acquire this amazing experience much faster, at a much better rate. I'm gonna see the market in all phases: accumulation, distribution, smart money, big boys. I'm gonna test the hell out of the market, guys, and I'm gonna upload all of my experiences so that you guys can see. Okay, now I'm probably gonna stop this video because YouTube doesn't let me upload videos longer than 15 minutes, I believe. Or no, I mean, the tool that I'm using only lets me upload about 15 minutes worth of videos. So yeah, as you can see, this is how the market acts around these levels. Holy shit, this program is amazing. I really don't regret buying it. I'm really happy that I purchased this program. Oh look, it's approaching this level. Yep, let's see. What is it gonna do? It's actually going higher, so it's retesting. Yep, it has confirmed to be higher than, yep, we're testing the next level. We're going higher. Note that I'm not actually considering the news. I'm not factoring in the news effect. Not really thinking about the news. I'm just looking at the chart, looking at the levels. Not really using any indicators. Okay, thank you guys. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna have so much data available. I'm gonna upload all kinds of different tests. I'm gonna test the hell out of different trading strategies much faster. Peace.